you're looking for a card that's built for paying off debt without extra headaches, the Citi Simplicity is exactly that. For $0 a year, you get one of the longest 0% intro APR offers out there, up to 21 months on balance transfers and 12 months on new purchases. Plus, there are no late fees, no penalty APR, and even the ability to pick your due date. It's easily one of the most forgiving credit cards on the market. Now, here's what you give up. There are no rewards, no welcome bonus, and the balance transfers come with about 3% fee, jumping to 5% if you wait too long. On top of that, there's a 3% foreign transaction fee, so this is not a card you want to take abroad. Real users say it's a lifesaver for consolidating debt interest-free, but some regret that you can't product change it into a rewards card later, leaving them stuck with a card they don't use once the intro APR ends. Bottom line, if you need breathing room to pay off debt, Citi Simplicity absolutely delivers. But if you're chasing points or perks, you want to look elsewhere. Have you used it to knock out a balance? Drop your experience in the comments. I'll catch you in the next video.